Hi there, I'm Captain Starlight, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your very own monster mashup.
You will need some paper and something to draw with.
Now, if you feel like drawing isn't quite your thing, fear not. Because these are monsters, it really doesn't matter what they look like, so just give it a go.
Before we start drawing, you'll need to fold the paper into 3 strips. Okay, now we can start drawing. I like to start with the head. Maybe a crocodile, or a teddy bear. No, a mosquito, or a robot. Maybe even a pot plant. It could literally be anything. So many ideas. And once you finish drawing the head, draw 2 connecting lines wrapping over the fold line onto the next empty strip. Imagine this is where the neck joins the body. Now hide the head under the other paper fold. This will make for a much more exciting reveal later on. Now let's draw the body of our monster. The more different creatures you use, the crazier your monster's gonna be.
Now it's time to give our monster some legs. If your monster even has legs, maybe it has a slug tail. Gross. Mine's gonna have goat legs.
Ooh, this is exciting! Okay, now just like we did on the last fold, continue 2 lines onto the last blank strip. This will help connect your legs.
Okay, I think we're ready. On the count of 3.
1, 2, oh my stars, look at that. And 3. Whoa, look at that. I'm gonna call it Douglas.
And for even more fun, you can take it in turns with someone else to draw different body parts. See what monster you make together. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you want to learn how to make multiple monsters at once, check out our other video, the Multi-Monster Mashup. See you soon.